Hello, it's Terry here for Trinity Stamps, and I am excited to share a clean and simple card tutorial for this video. This card is one layer and it involves a little bit of masking technique, so let's get started. Here's a look at the adorable set that I will be using. This set is called Dirty Bunny. I love all the little sentiments that you can stamp on the inside of the coffee or tea mug. I first started off with an A2 size white cardstock that I placed inside my stamping platform. I stamped the bunny image using an alcohol-friendly black ink. I like to stamp it a few times to make sure that the impression is nice and clear. Afterwards, I placed a scrap piece of masking paper over the bunny's arms. I am only creating a mask for the arms because I want to stamp on the coffee mug to create the illusion that the bunny is holding the mug. So after I stamped the arm on the masking paper, I went ahead and fussy cut the arms out and adhered it over the stamp image on a cardstock. This is going to create a barrier so that when I stamp the coffee mug over it, it will prevent any black ink to stamp over the bunny's cute little hands. Okay, so now that both arms' hands are covered and masked, I place the coffee mug over the area and stamp that on using black ink. I selected a sentiment to stamp onto the mug. Now I remove the masking paper and you can see that the hands are now over the mug. I went ahead and sped up the coloring process and added a timestamp down below. So if you're not into the coloring part, you can go ahead and skip it. Okay, so now to add a nice bold sentiment. I love the sentiment set from Trinity Stamps because it includes so many different types of hello sentiments. I wanted to have something clean and simple. I stamped it initially with Memento ink, but wanted a more vibrant black, so I went over it with VersaFine clear ink. To create a little bit of texture, I used my T-square ruler to draw a line behind the bunny. This is to create an illusion of sitting on the floor. I added some white highlights using a white gel pen and added a little bit of gray shadows towards the bottom of the bunny. I adhered it to a top folding card base, and that's it! Super simple and clean. Sometimes I feel that I tend to overwork a card design, so every once in a while it's really refreshing to create a simple and clean card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like this video and follow for more inspirational videos. Okay, until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye!